everyone. Please do me a favor, say goodbye to the skips on the dock. You'll never see them again. Where you never seen them before, so who cares, right? Alright, please remain seated with hands on feet, legs inside the boat at all times. And super fast children, there is no eating, no drinking, no smoking, and no gambling on this boat. It's not the top of cruise, alright? Princess, you can gamble all you want, okay? Please, my name is Skipper Fred W. That's instructor Snake Charmer. And if you don't laugh to any of my jokes, you're a swim instructor. I'm kidding, guys. I don't know how to swim. Welcome to the Amazon. It rains 365 days out of the year. You will notice some butterflies right over there. They grow from 12 inches all the way to a whopping foot. We call them the rollers of the jungle. On the left side, that is the magnificent, the beautiful, the amazing Inspiration Falls. If you are wondering why they are called that way, it's very simple. If you stare at them for some period of time, it will ladies, eyes over there. I know, but eyes over there. If you stare at them for some period of time, it will inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Now we head into the craziest, the darkest, the creepiest river in the world, the Congo River. Don't be confused with the Congo line. It gets tagged on Sundays. It's bingo night. Have you played bingo before? Did you survive? Okay, I'm not messing with you. To the right, we're gonna stop in a welcome fund. Hold on 1 second. Hey guys, I'm back! I got 5 more in the middle! They were supposed to come and pick you up. I don't know what happened. Maybe they got scared about wild animals. If you see anything scary, please point them out. Don't point at me, that's not nice. That's kind of cool. Don't worry, it's made out of plastic. Kamehameha! Don't worry guys, I'm just using the cords. To the right, that was my old camp. In Spanish! There we go, that's an African bull elephant. Now, we are entering the African belt. These amazing beast elephants, they are so big, strong, and wide. They create a path for all the animals, but not on purpose. So all the animals take advantage and they reach the water. Right here we have some wildebeest. Those are the one with Mufasa. They used to run together. At the top right, long-necked cheetahs. Right in the middle, those are everybody's favorite, 71 impalas. And at the top left, very old zebras. How do I know they're old? Because they see black and white. This zebra here is showing us one of the rules of the jungle. Don't be a zebra. Don't worry, that's the way they sleep every single day. Our next attraction is straight up for the movie Jungle Cruise. Is what you guys been waiting for. Alright friends, moving on now. I'm gonna show you something very special. I don't show this to many people, only a chosen few. But it's gonna be on the left side. Sir, the other left, get with the program. Alright, there is a line of trees over there. Guess what's behind those trees? That is correct, more trees to the jungle. That's the wrong way! That's the wrong way! That's the wrong way! They never listen to me. Alright, thanks everybody for helping out. Except for the guy in the back in the blue shirt. Everybody look at him. He was so scared he couldn't even move. He's plain to see. I took a crash course a couple months ago for my singing career. It didn't took off. Now I'm just winging it. Hiding from hippos. Don't worry. I'm gonna scare them off the same way I did my ex-girlfriend. Buddy, pay attention, it could save your life, okay? Lady, you hear this again, you need to run. You promise? I love you! I'm ready for commitment, babe! Hey, how you doing? See, it works. So the one that is Captain Jack Sparrow, Gordon Ramsay, Jeffrey Stoll, Bob Ross, and at the top, that is the missing hiding for a very long time. By the way, his life partner is a Sasquatch. Great parties on Thursdays. On the left, we have more butterflies, but they are not what they used to be. Does anybody knows why? Anybody? Really? They used to be caterpillars. Look it up, the statement. Now, the one attraction you guys are actually here for, that most of you quit your job last week to be here. Please, a big round of applause for the 8 wonder of the world, the backyard. Alright, don't worry about the water. It's just a little bit of bacteria. It's a gift from us to you. Now, we have... Whoa, guys, give me a second, please. Let me sit there with your hands on feet, legs inside the boat at all time. It's super fast, children. Hold on, guys, give me a second. That's not the way it's supposed to be. I gotta call somebody important. Please don't send the buddy. Stop drinking on my boat. Why are you drinking on my boat? That's embarrassing. Everybody's watching you now. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Should we go in there anyway? What if there's some danger? Maybe some treasure. Actually, it's much worse. It's Disney. It's going to be another gift shop. Please remain seated with hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat at all times and supervise children. Hey, go get the guy in the back in the blue shirt. Don't get it, Tiger. No. Don't worry, sir. He's vegan. My friends, have you seen that movies? Those are not the ones. Those are the Spice Girls. Take a photographic device now, take as many photos, as much video as you would like. Today, the elephants, they will have their trunks on. Except that one, but don't look. Guys, I said don't look. You got curious, right? Kids these days, you can take them nowhere. To the right, never mind, that's a spaceship. No, that's safe. Don't worry, he's not gonna... Uh-oh, it's Thursday. Guys, stop! I'm not loaded. This is a dry part. Friends, do you have any questions for me about the tour? The water, the river, the boats, the elephants, the rhino, the rock, my social life. No good. I wasn't going to answer any of those anyway. It's a joke. It's over. I guarantee you're going to trip and fall. After that, I promise I will point and laugh at you, okay? Then I'm going to get fired from a cannon. They're not ready for that. Okay, I'm gonna ask them. Give me a second, okay? Are you guys ready? Yeah! No, they are not ready. Ask again? Alright, give me a second. Alright. Don't look at me with those puppy eyes, okay? Alright. No, don't be doing that. That's not the proper part, okay? Friends, are you guys ready? Yeah! That's the best they can do. They've probably been here since the morning, okay? I know. Give me a second. I'm gonna pull forward just a little bit, okay? My friends, do me a favor, look to the left and say hi to the camera. I said hi, not to wave. You are not paying attention. Japan, alright, guess where I'm from? Not from Japan. I have a question. Is that translating everything that I'm saying? Traduce esto. ¿Eso lo traduce en inglés del español? It doesn't. Alright, please remain seated with your hands on feet, legs inside the boat at all times. And supervise children. Lady in the front, where you from?
Indiana.
I'm sorry?
Indiana.
No, I heard you the first time. I'm sorry.
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.